Have you ever felt far from God, like your mistakes, your struggles, or your fears have put too much distance between you and Him? What if I told you that nothing can ever separate you from His love? Romans 5:8 says, while we were still sinners, Christ died for us. God's love finds you first, even in your brokenness. You don't have to earn it. It's already yours. His love is not based on performance. It is based on His heart for you. Isaiah 54:10 reminds us, though the mountains be shaken and the hills be removed, yet my unfailing love for you will not be shaken. Whatever storms, losses, or challenges you face, God's love remains stronger than every trial in your life. Ephesians 1:21 tells us that Christ is above all powers and authorities. And 1 John 4:4 reminds us, he who is in you is greater than he who is in the world. No spiritual attack, no darkness, no fear can break God's love for you. Jeremiah 31:3 says, I have loved you with an everlasting love. I have drawn you with unfailing kindness. Your past mistakes, your present struggles, or your future fears cannot undo God's love. It is eternal, constant, and unshakable. Hebrews 4:16 encourages us, let us then approach God's throne of grace with confidence. Step into His love today. Live boldly, love freely, and let God's love overflow in every part of your life. Remember this, nothing can separate you from God's love. No fear, no failure, no storm, and no time. His love is real. His love is constant. And today, it is reaching out to you.